Good morning, my friends. This is the Italian way. I'm so happy because I'm glad to introduce you again my team, my journalistic team that is composed by Enzo, Vittorio and Tom. So I'm so proud, I'm so happy because they just get back after 1 year that I didn't see them anymore. We are in an iconic spot up on the mountains. We are in Valle d'Aosta, and these three guys are the Italian donkeys. So I want to start a new editorial project tributed to animals, and I will call it TG Donkeys or Donkeys News. We'll see. We have to just brainstorm a little bit today all together as a group, as the editorial team. And so the first news around my lovely donkeys here is that please do not abandon donkeys. You see that they've been suffering during this pandemic a lot. Not only donkeys but also horses, because most of them did not have the chance to be free and to enjoy the life like they usually do. So please do not abandon and take care of these little guys that are donkeys, because they are so lovely. And also horses. My dream is to open up a sanctuary with this. This guy was smiling right now. So, and I will give you more information about donkeys' work and animal news, and proud to be here again with my team. Stay tuned. Simona Cochi, the Italian way. Donkeys News. Ciao!